In today's video, we're going to explore how much does it cost the UK to have a bank holiday. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you're all well. Today's video is going to be a quick one, just exploring what is happening with the new bank holiday that has been introduced on Monday, the 19th of September. But this will apply for any bank holiday. It is an expensive cost, let me tell you that. The most recent additional bank holiday actually came in June for the Queen's Jubilee. We got an extra bank holiday for the celebrations there, and now we have another bank holiday. Unfortunately, this time it is for the passing of the Queen. It is to respect and mourn the day. It'll be on Monday the 19th. The new King Charles has announced. As always, we'll start off with some interesting facts. In the European countries, the average bank holiday is actually sitting at 12, with the more Eastern European countries actually having 15 bank holidays. Now, how does that compare with the UK? Well, the UK average is actually only 8 bank holidays, so we're considerably behind. We're almost half of that of the Eastern European countries. But thankfully, I live in Northern Ireland, and Northern Ireland actually get an extra 2 bank holidays, possibly even 3, depending on the work, but roughly it is at least 2 more days. So we get 10/11, and that is to celebrate St. Patrick's Day and the Battle of the Boyne, which sometimes is 1 day, but it can also be 2, depending on what public service you are in. So how much does all this cost? Well, the productivity massively gets put down. If you can imagine, if there's nobody out making things in the manufacturing warehouses, just generally pushing things through the system, how much money will that cost? Well, they reckon that the Queen's Jubilee cost roughly the UK £2.3 billion in productivity lost. But then on the flip side, you do have a lot more people not working, which means that they are out spending the do-re-mi. So there is a bit of a flip side to it. Does 2.3 billion seem worth it? And do I think we're going to see more bank holidays to be more in line perhaps with the European Union? I don't think so, not anytime soon, and the reason being is that interest rates are continually going up by the Bank of England to try and push down inflation, and with that they want to push down inflation, which means interest rates go up, which means you have less money to spend. So the thought of reducing productivity, stopping people working to go out and spend money is completely against the narrative that the current Bank of England want. They want you to have no money, they want you to stay in, they don't want you to spend any money at all, so that will push down inflation. And then on the flip side, to do that, they put up interest rates, so a lot more money just goes out paying interest. So that is the doom and gloom scenario. So what I will say is, although Monday the 19th of September is going to be a sad occasion for the majority of people, as it is the Queen's funeral, I would say enjoy it as best you can, because it is likely to be the last additional bank holiday that we get for a long time. Hope that video was informative. If you have liked it, please like and subscribe, help me grow the channel. I'll be dropping more different types of videos. Generally, the channel is about stock trading and just general market news. The markets are crazy. The general market sentiment is crazy. There's a lot of corruption out there. I try to cover it all on the channel. So if you are interested, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. As I said, thank you very much for everyone that does support the channel. And if you're interested in other videos, I would check out this one next. This one is about how to become a millionaire. This is realistic. This is not some crazy scheme. This is just about the power of compound. Interesting. I share it all in this video. Definitely recommend that, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.